Welcome to HSM. Today we're going to show you how to set the timing on a B34 level 3 shredder. The first step is going to be to remove the cutting block from the shredder and to place it on a clean working area.
When removing, replacing any worn, stripped, or broken gears, or when removing the cutting cylinders, you will need to check and possibly reset your timing on the machine. Remember that only cross-cut machines need to be timed. Strip cut machines do not need to be retimed.
Timing on cutting cylinders of a crosscut are crucial. If timing is off, the security of the paper you are shredding will be off also. Here are examples of an untimed cutting block. You'll see that a fishbone, and so your information is still there to be read easily, and you can tell on your paper how it's cutting. It's not right. A true crosscut level 3 will look like this. That is how you want your paper to look. Cut size varies, machine, but the principle of setting the timing is all the same. No matter what crosscut you have, the principle you set up is the same.
Okay, in order to change the timing on this machine, what you first have to do is separate the gears. Take the master gear off the rear cutter gear, set it aside. I like to take the idler gear off, which allows you to time the machine without fighting the motor. What we'll do now is observe down in the cut slot here. You can advance or retard the leading edge of the cutters to where it's needed. Then we're going to place this gear back on, the big gear back on. Then we're going to take a sheet of paper and we're going to crank this through. Not all the way, just till the cutters pierce the paper a second, maybe third time. Then we will back it out and check to see if this is properly timed. And it sort of looks like it is, because the paper's cut halfway through on the long parts, and the short part is halfway up. Okay, once that's in there, you can run the paper back in. This will lock the cutters in position. Pull the gear off. Put your idler gear on after greasing it, and the spacer washer. Then reset the gear, the big gear. You'll have to move it a couple times to get it onto the proper spline. And we'll use there we go. We'll use the persuader. Okay, now we can back the paper out, and we can try with the second sheet of paper. You can turn it by the fan too, it'd probably be easier running it through by fan. Back the paper out, and once again you can see the sheared part is exactly half of the dimension between the edge of the paper. Reassemble all your gears, reassemble the machine.